Hey, good morning everyone. It is day 3 of our Vlogmas. So today's December 2nd and it is doing something outside. It was snowing. It turned to rain. I don't see the snow anymore. What's up guys? So I'm currently editing Vlogmas day 2 video. That's actually already up. Like I said before, I've stated before for Vlogmas. I'm doing like I did last year. I vlogged the day beforehand. So every vlog you see for Vlogmas will be the day before. So yeah. So this is my editing software. Alright guys, against my better judgment, I am going to karaoke tonight. We don't have boots. That's one of the things I told my mom I wanted for Christmas. Probably end up giving it to me now because it's something I can use now. But yeah, heading down to karaoke. I'm bringing my umbrella just in case they want rain. But as you can see, it's cloudy. It's like winter clouds, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure about this going on to karaoke, but I look at this way. If I don't feel safe going out, and if I even slip once, but I got my umbrella. If I almost slip once, I'm like literally turning around and going home. Like, I don't want it to be a short vlog, but I'm also not going to like put myself in danger for you guys. Okay. So I need to be in the hospital for holidays. And normally I would not mind slipping because I've slipped and fell on ice multiple times and nothing bad came of it. But because I got wires in my knee now from a skateboarding incident back in 2022, I do gotta be more careful. If I had boots, I wouldn't be too concerned, but because I had boots last year, and the fact was that I bought them from Walmart, and they were cheaply made. I spent like $40 on those boots, and they were cheaply made. Walmart boots may look expensive, but they were cheaply made, and they broke. So, but I am heading down to karaoke tonight. Oh God. We'll see how things go. Guys, you know what? I'm not going out. I'm not going down. It is just too, I don't trust it. I'm too uneasy right now. Tomorrow night's better. I really don't want to walk all the way to Sullivan though. It's like a 45-minute walk to Southern Social Quarters, but it is nice out tomorrow. I might. And I'm not saying I am, not saying I'm not. But it easy beating Austin out. So I have not been to. I don't think I went to karaoke. No, I didn't go last week. I didn't go at all. I haven't been to karaoke in a while, at least 2 weeks. I don't want to go, but this is just nasty out right now. So yeah, not going. Like to show you how nasty it is. Like I can see there's some spots on there. I can't tell if it's ice or not. It's just too cold. Well, it's cold. But I'm just not taking the chance of there being ice. I'm going home. Sorry for the short vlog, guys. I would vlog more, but today's just not a good day.